But I don't have the power to switch. You know you have the kind of power, but not in Zara. Because I swear I see you in the proud. Where I don't got the power just for a Dark Lord and a card of pork. I'll call the pork, I'm Post Malone, I like to throw it. And I eat chicken roast with the bar toast. Hey Lewis, hey. His name is Lewis. But hey bro, he got no pay. Get him off, get him off. That's the boss. The snare on the bag. The snare on the play. You gotta pay taxes before you get into the ashes. The sniper gonna see you in the head, yo. Go! I swear I see you in my head. I lost one month from insanity. I'm not gonna get corrupted, but only seeing of being I see is signs of many. Get off the place, hey, pour it all. This is a lightning day. Cause I know the breath is not much. I got a street dog. It's not in the street, no. With a sniper, I got go up. Oh. You see, I can shoot you with the parental. Hasn't K with the pen and tape. This is the best example of a desired path of discovered in person. Get me, pull me in a part of your desire. Hope you guys enjoyed. And ha 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 ha. It's very funny. I know. And this is me face. This is not actually lightning. Yeah, credits to me making the whole song. Yeah, I swear to God, it's literally me. Yeah, I made the whole song. You know? Yeah, you know, right?